Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shivani, MBBS student of JLN Medical College, Ajmer. Watch this video till the end because I might be having something that is helpful for all the NEET preparing students out there. I think of all the things in the medical college, teachers seem to enjoy the Viva a lot. And this is not their fault. This is because of the types of medical students that they see during Viva. Do you also want to know what the hell I am talking about? Let's go. These are the students who literally know the answers of everything. I mean, जिस topic का नाम भी तुमने नहीं सुना होगा, they know the answer of that topic. And you wonder if they do anything other than studies. And these students are favorite one of teachers. These are the students who know the answers, but the moment they enter into the Viva room, they start babbling. Okay, let's say if there's a muscle called coracobrachialis and a muscle called brachioradialis, they form a new muscle called coracoradialis. What? Which book on the earth are you studying? What book? Grey's Anatomy? No. BD. God, I don't know. Just get out from here. ये वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इस बात में बिलीव करते हैं कि सिर्फ पढ़ने से ही तुम्हें मार्क्स नहीं मिलते हैं वाइवा में. यू हैव टू डू समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा टू कम इन द गुड बुक्स ऑफ टीचर्स.
Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, so I taught you brachial plexus in the class. Did you got that? Yes, ma'am. Before you taught us brachial plexus, I tried to understand that brachial plexus so many times and I just didn't get it. And then you taught us and now it's by heart. I don't need any revision. Thank you so much, ma'am. Alright, good. Oh, let me, ma'am. Here.
So these type of students are very interesting. ये क्या करते हैं, वाइवा रूम के बाहर एक बहुत अच्छा माहौल क्रिएट कर लेते हैं as if they don't know anything. They be like, oh God, why did I study a whole night? I was using phone. Why didn't I study? What will happen with me in the Viva room? Oh God, I don't know anything. And you, being an innocent soul, believes them. And you feel like, ठीक है, मुझे भी नहीं आता, इसे भी नहीं आता, तो हम लोग ना partners की तरह चलते हैं. And the moment you enter into the Viva room, bam! Everything just changes. Your partner suddenly knows every answer. Maybe he or she was having any sort of photographic memory, and you are the one innocent fool sitting over there. इस टाइप के स्टूडेंट्स वाइवा रूम के अंदर जाने के बाद अपनी सारी वोकैब भूल जाते हैं और सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड याद रखते हैं, वो है sorry. Morning. Tell me about classification of cephalosporins.
Sorry, ma'am.
Alright. A side effect of aminoglycosides.
Sorry, ma'am.
What do you guys even do? Alright, tell me drugs used in gouty arthritis.
Sorry, ma'am.
What do you mean by sorry? This is such a basic question. What you guys are even doing? Is MBBS a joke? Or tell me any two NSAIDs.
Sorry, ma'am.
Wow. You know what? Just get off from here.
Sorry, ma'am.
Alright, so these are pretty much all the medicals that you see during Viva. Hope you guys loved it. And don't go anywhere about the thing that I was talking about in the starting of this video. So the thing is, जैसा कि मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि नीट की प्रिपरेशन के लिए काफ़ी बेसिक लेकिन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट एक स्टेप है कि तुम्हें प्रीवियस ईयर के जो क्वेश्चन है वो काफ़ी अच्छे से आने चाहिए. उन हर एक क्वेश्चन का कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए क्योंकि नीट में क्वेश्चन रिपीट होते हैं. अगर सेम क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं हो रहा तो लैंग्वेज चेंज करके कॉन्सेप्ट वही रख के क्वेश्चंस जो है रिपीट होते हैं, तो ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है कि तुम्हें प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस तो अच्छे से आने ही चाहिए। तो बस इसी चीज़ को हेल्प करने के लिए अनअकैडमी इज ब्रिंगिंग अ मिक्स्ड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सेशन ऑन 16th of August, in which the top Unacademy educators will be discussing previous year questions with you guys of AIPMT, AIMS, JIPMER. So in my point of view, this is a must attend session for every NEET student who is planning to appear for the entrance this year. Alright, and link for this session will be in description below. This is the proper schedule. Check the time slots and the teachers. Alright.